It's Ravi from CSF, and today we are at Bullet Motorworks in Costa Mesa. This is my go-to BMW shop. Been taking not just my own car here, but also bring all of our project cars. We actually have Imran from Evolve's P65 1M right behind us. That's going to be getting worked on. We're going to be dynoing the car this week. So first thing first, we're here installing our new engine oil cooler that sits underneath the car. This thing is beefy. It's robust, it's super durable, and it's a long time overdue compared to the stock cooler that's definitely had some better days after, you know, being a 10-year-old oil cooler sitting underneath the car. This thing is 14 rows versus 11. It's 60 millimeters wide versus the stock cooler that's 45 millimeters, so it's about a third larger, so that's a little bit over 30%. And it's also about 15 millimeters taller as well. So you're getting a lot more additional oil capacity along with the higher performance and the extra durability. So we're here working with Adam. He's the one who built my F10 M5 about 8 years ago. You know, it's a stage 2 bolt-on car. It's got the 660 wheels, the FI exhaust, CSF charge coolers, and today we're going to be upgrading the intake in the car to an Eventuri carbon fiber, you know, full cold air intake system. You know, I have another brand's intake on the car. This is definitely an upgrade to it. So thank you to Imran for helping us out with supporting us with the intake. It's his chariot when he comes to Southern California. He wants to make sure his parts are all over the car. I'm happy to have his parts on the car as well. It really is that last touch that I really wanted to get on the car. You know, this is an Amola Red, super rare LCI F10 M5. It's got more CSF coolers going in, more Eventuri intakes going in, so stay tuned and we're going to put this in right now. So Adam's here. He's cutting about a 1/4 inch off the bottom shroud. It's not really necessary. It's more for a better install. So you can install it without doing it, or you can cut the 1/4 inch back and it'll be a perfect install. So we just got done putting the oil cooler in my F10 M5. This oil cooler also fits F90 or F9X M5 and M8. I'm here with owner Mickey from Bullet. Mickey, I've been bringing my cars here for about 6 or 7 years now.
I think it's been 10.
Yeah, okay, it's been about 10. So you guys have done a great job. I've always brought to you the hard special project cars. So we got that 1M with the P65 that you guys are going to be working on.
I can't wait.
Yeah, and I had brought to you also that S55 E30 M3 a few years ago that you guys did some work on. It was also a SEMA car.
Super sweet car. Can I
Thank
have it?
you. Yeah, you drove it. You ripped on it. Yeah.
I should have it.
So no, this is great. Adam did a thorough job on this. I mean, he knocked this out in about an hour, and that was with us having to stop and do a little bit of filming on the parts and stuff like that. So Adam, thank you.
And guys, everybody, you know, not only was it a good install, but look what came out while we did it.
Absolutely. So,
I mean,
you know.
Just think how much better it's going to breathe with all that crap out of your car.
Yeah. So it's a good time to do a little spring cleaning, right? Change the oil cooler, get better cooling, take all the debris out of your car. This thing is super durable. It's going to take all the rock chips that you can throw at it. And, you know, it's really good for the lower car guys. But yeah, stay tuned. We're going to get the Eventuri intakes on next. Guys, so we got the oil cooler installed. Now we're working on the top side. Adam's working on the new Eventuri cold air intake. It's got this awesome filter with the Eventuri housing. Really cool proprietary design. They got some you know, scoops that go right behind the grill, forces that cold air in, and you can see it over here. It just looks awesome. Way better upgrade than this RK trash that we had in there. So we're gonna junk this with these fucking shitty filters. So this is all out the door. So thanks to my friend Imran for helping me out. Definitely wanted to get that other stuff out of the car. It was bad juju. Now we got the good stuff, and now the car is complete. So we just spent about the first part of the day here at Bullet Motorworks, and they worked on my F10 M5 today. We put our brand new engine oil cooler underneath the car. We also got the new Eventuri cold air intake system installed. It pairs really nicely with our charge coolers that we've had on the market for a while. So take a look at this. So brand new cold air intakes from our good friends at Eventuri, paired with our pure turbos and CSF charge air coolers. This car has a stage 2 hex tune from BF Engineering, downpipes and exhaust from FI Exhaust. It's a great daily driver, love the color, and this is what we did today. Tomorrow we're going to be working on Imron's and Evolve's 1N with the P65 engine swap. So the guys at Bullet are going to tighten some things up. We're going to put some Bilstein suspension. Tomorrow's Wednesday, and on Thursday we'll be over at Striker Performance with the car on the dyno. So stay tuned. We'll be back with more. Can't wait to see this thing rip. And thanks to all the guys at Bullet for helping us out today with all these installs.